The round function in Excel enables you to specify how you want Excel to round numerical data. So for example, I may want this rounded to no decimal places. So let's have a look at how the round function can work. So I click the FX and I'm going to look for round and click go. And I'm going to click OK. So the round function, this is the cell that we're going to round, and the digits that we specify here determine how it's going to round it. So for example, if I type in a 0, you'll see here that the result is it rounds it so there's no decimal places. If I go -1, it rounds it up to the nearest whole dollar, which in this case is still 54,000. I'm going to click on 0 to put that in there, and we'll click OK, and we'll fill down. Now, of course, what you could do is you could use the formatting options here to increase or decrease decimals, but often what happens is the round function may be nested or incorporated in another function. So for example, I could do an auto sum here, and if this is the data that I want to sum up, but I want to round it at the same time, click up here and I'm going to type in round, open a set of brackets, and the first thing it's going to do is the sum, and then I'm going to put a comma here and it says the number of digits. So if I put in a 0, it's automatically going to round it down to decimals, which saves me having to format the cell or change the formatting of the cell to have 0 decimal places. So a simple edit to our sum. Press enter and it's automatically rounded that number down. Now, we had a 0 here, but we looked before and I showed you that if you put in a -1, it will round up to the nearest one number to the left of the decimal. So if I put in a -1 there, you can see those two numbers. Here was the original one we had, and if I change that to -1, it's rounded that up to the nearest 10.